Today, I'll show you how to find the 16-digit payment ID on Bill.com. Whether you're managing payments or verifying transactions, knowing how to access your unique payment ID can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily locate this important piece of information. First, you'll want to navigate to Bill.com and log into your account. Once you're in, try to spot the settings gear icon. This icon usually appears in one of two places, either at the top right corner of your screen or at the bottom of the left navigation pane. It's designed to be easy to find, but if it's not visible right away, take a moment to look around your interface. This icon serves as the gateway to various settings and preferences you can adjust within your account. Once you've clicked on the settings gear icon, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Here, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Company Profile. Under this section, there is an option called Network. By selecting Network, you will be taken to a new page that contains several key details about your account and its connections within the Bill.com network. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, finding your payment network ID. On this network page, you'll find a profile card that displays various pieces of information tied to your account. Among these, your unique payment network ID will be clearly shown. This ID is a 16-digit alphanumeric string, which serves as a vital identifier for managing transactions within Bill.com. For those who need to use this ID elsewhere, Bill.com provides a handy feature. Right next to your 16-digit payment network ID, you'll see an option labeled Copy. By clicking on this, you can easily copy the ID to your clipboard without the hassle of manually highlighting and copying the text. This ensures that you can safely and accurately paste it wherever it's needed, such as in an email, a document, or another application. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly locate and utilize your 16-digit payment ID on Bill.com. Understanding where and how to access this information can not only save you time, but also enhance your efficiency when dealing with financial transactions. If you ever find yourself needing this ID again, you now know exactly where to look and how to retrieve it with ease. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy navigating, and we'll see you in the next video.